Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. Let's get started. HCLTech delivers industry-leading capabilities and tailored solutions across various sectors. Core competencies: digital transformation, optimize business processes and boost efficiency with cutting-edge technologies. Engineering services: HCLTech offers industry-leading product design, engineering solutions, and fosters innovation across diverse industries. Cloud solutions: HCLTech helps enterprises navigate their cloud journey, ensuring scalability, security, and cost efficiency. AI and data science: the company delivers cutting-edge AI solutions that empower businesses to revolutionize their approach to data and decision-making. Industry expertise: HCLTech partners with clients across major verticals, offering comprehensive solutions in financial services, manufacturing, life sciences and healthcare, telecom and media, retail and CPG, public services. Global impact: founded in 1999 with a strong presence in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, HCLTech continues to shape the future of IT services and consulting on a global scale. They are at the forefront of driving progress through technology innovation across various sectors, including manufacturing, aerospace and defense, energy, and automotive. Why choose HCLTech? HCLTech's extensive portfolio of technology services and products helps organizations achieve the following: accelerated growth, improved operational efficiency, sustainable success. HCLTech ensures clients can supercharge their progress in the fast-paced digital world by combining engineering excellence with the latest digital advancements. Company information summary. Website, link to www.hcltech.com. Industry, its services and IT consulting. Company size, 219,000 plus employees, as of 2024. LinkedIn presence, 246,642 associated members. Headquarters, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Founded, 1999. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.